further technique about solving differential equation is finding the value of c and using value of x and y. The first example about this kind of question, you have the form like here. And you can see y common equal to 1 plus h over 2y here. That's like the normal of previous video. So you have the further information is y equal to 3 and h equal to 0. So what is used for? So you can using the normal way for solving the family of the y and h first. dy over dx you have this form, and here you will got 1 plus h over 2y here, and 2y dy will be this one, and here is 1 plus h times dh in here. After that, using the integral like this one, and then you will got y squared equal to h squared plus h like here. And after that, you have to add c in the final answer because this one is the integral. Yeah, and then you can see that you got y equal to 3 and h equal to 0. So what does that mean? You can substitute the value of y and h by here. Here is y squared and this one is 0 squared plus 0. After that, you got c here, and c will be 9. So the final answer, after you find the value of c, the final answer for this question is y squared equal to h squared plus h, and now you know about c plus c in here. So this one is a final answer for this solution. Just like the normal way when you want to find the value of c in the integral topic, right? Just like the integral topic. So example 2, you got the point here is 1 and 5. So what does that mean? This means h equal to 1 and y equal to 5. Okay, so here is y and the h. You got y4 and then you got 1 plus 8 like this one. And after that, I've got here is dy over y to power of 4. And then you got dh over 1 plus 8 here. Integral this one and integral this one. Rewrite it one for the power form. You got minus 4 dy, and then you will have, oh sorry, this is an integral, and d of h plus 1 divided by h plus 1 here. And then you will got here is y to power of minus 3 divided by minus 3. The other side you will got ln absolute value h plus 1, and then you got plus c. Now substitute the value of h and y corresponding. You got here is 5 minus 3 divided by minus 3, and here you got ln of 1 plus 1 and then plus c. So from here you got ln 2 plus c, and for this one you got 1 over, let me clear about this one first. 5 to power of minus 3, and then you will got 3 more. So for this question, for this side you got minus 1 over 375. And how about c? You will got c is minus 1 over 375 minus ln 2 here. This is equal to c. Yeah, okay, that is the value of c. So the final answer for this question, you can rewrite it for simple form like minus 3, oh sorry, this is not minus 3, this is minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 3 to multiply y to power of 3 like this. The other side will be ln h plus 1, and then you got c minus 1 over 375, and then minus ln 2. Okay, so we finished this question. The next question is 3 here, and I think it is very simple question. So let's practice a little bit more. You will have the left hand side is dy over dx equal to h and y here, and then you got dy over y and h times dx. So the left hand side ln y, the right hand side h squared over 2, and then you got plus c. So what is the value of y? You got here is ln2, and this one equal to 0. So c equal to ln2. And what is the final answer for this question? You got ln absolute value of y equal to x squared divided by 2, and then plus ln2 like this. We finish question 3. And the hardest example in this video is 4, and of course this one is the last one. For this question, I got x squared here, y cubed here, x squared here, and then you got y common. For y common, I have to rewrite it first. Plus 1 multiply y cubed equal to minus x squared and dy and dx like this. So from this step, I want to multiply both sides of this equation by dx. So dx will be appear in here, and the other side you got no dx in the denominator position anymore. And the next step, I have to subject x to x and y to y. I will x squared plus 1 multiply dx divide by divide by minus x squared, and then the other side is dy over y cubed like this one. Change position, change this one first. You got x squared divided by minus x squared minus 1 divided by x squared like this, and then multiply dx. The other side will be y to power of minus 3, and then you got dy here. And I will add integral sign for the first position of x side in this equation. So after that, I'm got the first bracket is minus 1 minus 8 to power of minus 2 dx, and the other side I will make integral immediately. Y to power of minus 3, it is minus 2 divided by 2 like here. And how about the left hand side? You got minus 8 minus 1 divided by minus 1. So plus c for one side, and then you got this form. And I think this form a little bit more complicated, and when I want to add more value for x and y, so I have to rewrite it for simple form. You got here is minus 8, and here is plus 1 over x, and then plus c equal to 1 over 2y squared like this. And okay, so from this step, I can add the value of x and y here. X you got minus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus c. The other side is 1 over 2 multiply 7 squared. This bracket equal to 0. So c will be 1 over 98, because 7 squared is 49, and then multiply 2, you got 1 over 98. And what is the final answer for this question? Okay, let's substitute c in the last answer. So you can write out for this one. Okay, and the final answer for this question is minus x plus 1 over x plus 1 over 98 equal to 1 over 2y squared here. That's it. So you got this one for the final answer of this question. And you can see that the question 4 is not easy anymore, but you can understand that. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for watching this one, and see you next time. Bye bye.